All right, this is an unboxing of the JJRC H55, the tracker. And I got this from Banggood, and you can see it has the H55 here. And here's the box that it came in. And the reason I got this drone is because I wanted to see what a cheap, under $60 GPS drone, how it operates, and is it any good? That's the question. So I'll go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside. All I did was take the black paper that it came with. So just to show you that it is sealed up, and this is the first unboxing, it has the little, there we go, we'll take that off. Had the stickers on it. And we'll open it up, and here's what we have inside. So this one is the yellow camouflage, and this is the top. And here's the drone. Here's the paperwork that it comes with it. And in there it should tell you where to download the app, how to hook the Wi-Fi up. So we'll go through that tomorrow whenever we test it out. But here's the drone itself. So there's other little cheap GPS drones. I'll probably compare this one to one of the Hubsons, the can't remember the name of it, but I'll have that out tomorrow. And here's everything that comes with it. So first we'll go over the drone. It has a 720p camera. There are no sensors at the bottom or around it. It's a cheap $50 drone, so just keep that in mind. The battery's in here. Here we go. It's a 610 milliamp 2S or 7.4 volt battery. Comes with it. And we have spare props, battery charger, some screwdrivers in here, some extra propellers, some extra screws. It's all in the bag here. This attaches to your transmitter here. And we'll go over all this tomorrow. I just wanted to show you that I got it in, and we will be testing this thing out tomorrow. And again, I bought this. This was less than $60. It is a GPS drone, so it has return to home, and it has all the little fun features of the cheap quads with the 3D flips and stuff like that. So we'll just give it a try tomorrow, and we'll see if this thing's any good. All right, thanks for watching. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see the latest updates on this quad and other ones that I have. And go to the link below and you can find it, see what it's on sale for. It should be under $60. And leave comments below what you think about it. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.